I stand here by a dangerous apostolic and prophetic mantle to announce to you, anybody looking for your life, looking for my life, looking for our lives, they shall go down for you. They shall go down for you. In the name that is above every name, I decree the deployment of the ministry of the slayers, the wasters, the destroyers, to waste any devil. The next time they look for you, they will never live to tell the story. They will never live to tell the story. They will never live to tell the story.